Samuel Ricketts and Catherine Wynter were crowned men's and women's singles champions at the All Jamaica Open Badminton Championship at the G.C. Foster College Auditorium on Sunday. Ricketts, who is now based in the UK, dethroned the 2019 winner Matthew Lee 21-15, 21-13 in the final. He says this title was sweeter than his previous title because of the circumstances.
I think this would be my best one because the last time I won, I was very young and I was a good player, but mentally I wasn't as strong as I am now. I would normally kind of crumble under pressure, but this time around I'm actually a bit ill, and so I had to really get into the mental space to really focus and be very focused on what I'm coming to do, you know. And yeah, I think this is one of my greatest matches I've played because I was attacking from the get-go. I was very much in the zone and just letting the game come to me.
Wynter had little issues in saving off the challenge of Brianna Bisnott to win the women's title 21-15, 21-9.
It wasn't my best match, as you saw. I am battling a knee injury right now, so I haven't really been training for the past month and a half. I've just been trying to do some rehab and fix my knee, so I knew I wasn't going to be able to come out here and play my best, but at the same time, I used my experience and a little bit of tactical awareness so that I wouldn't have to do as much running, so that is how I was able to come away with the win.
Elsewhere, Matthew Lee and Joel Angus took the men's doubles title, defeating Albert Miles and Garen Palmer 2-0, while Wynter teamed up with Bisnott to take the women's equivalent, also by 2-0. And Wynter got her third title of the day as she teamed up with Lee to take the mixed doubles title over Bisnott and Palmer in straight sets. Jamaica Badminton Association President Sheldon Townsend was happy with the use of G.C. Foster College as the venue for the tournament.
I mean, all the other venues have concrete. I mean, we've established or carved out a great relationship with G.C. Foster. I mean, you know, partnership made in heaven, really, because at this venue we're looking to stage a lot more tournaments and also kickstart our national program.